Hello guys, my name is Kevin Cho. I'm the CEO of Freego. We are the manufacturer of the electric scooters and electric bikes. As you see, here is my showroom. You can see we have many kinds of e-scooters and also e-bikes. This one is a 6.5 inch for kids, smaller one. This one is for adults. It's 8.5 inch. And these two are 10-inch scooters. You continue. The personal e-scooter, we also have the scooter for sharing business. You see this one. This is the sharing scooter. We can take, there's a QR. You scan the QR to open the scooter to use, and finish, you return the scooter. This one is a 14-inch big scooter, big wheel. It's good for it's good for people who use outside of the city. And this one. Also, we have the e-scooter with two motors, very strong, powerful, can go off-road to go to the forest. So it's very good. We are looking for business partner from Europe and the USA. So if you are interested in this business, contact us. We can work together. You can be my sales representative. That means that we can give you your local customer list. You can call them one by one to get the answer, to know, and then we can pay your commission, 1 to 5% of the sales. So it's a very good way to work together. If you are ready to sell the scooter, we have the warehouse in UK, Poland, Germany, and USA. So we can do the dropshipping fee. Contact us. Welcome.